Hello guys. Anong nangyari? Just testing. Blogging again. I am thinking to be back in blogging again. Now that I have a very nice camera with my S26 Ultra. Diba, Epa? Epa? We have to do blogging again. This is Mamang Joella, your... Mm. Please subscribe to my channel. Never mind my nose kasi nag-uubo ako sobra. Almost 1 month na ngayon. Gumaganon ako ng mga inhaler. Tapos, na-irritate siya. Oh. Hala, ang automatic siyang guys, automatic siyang nagbibigay ng lights. Oh, automatic siyang nagbibigay ng buhay. Charot, ito pala ang aming munting mansyon. Munting bahay. Itutour ko kayo dito one day. Charot? May tour ba? Ito pala si Eva, ang aming munting prinsesa. Hello Eva, meet our subscribers. Okay? Hello, Eva. She is our little lovely fatty girl. She's a lovely, lovely corgi. Fatty girl. How old are you, Pang Pang? Pang Pang is she is 2.5 years old. She didn't go to school, so she is illiterate. Now she loves eating. She loves eating and she loves giving company with her daddy. Where's daddy? Look at them. They're watching you, not me. This is my Eva. She is an illiterate dog. Because she didn't go to school. No, she's the only dog in the village that didn't go to school. Every dog here in Australia, they go to school. But Ipa didn't. She doesn't want to go. She said, Dada, I don't want to go to school. I don't want to go to school. I want to do gardening. She's like her Dada too. Right, Ipa? Isn't it? Are we walking? You want to walk? Oh, she loves walking. Where's your toy? Say hello to our subscribers. Hello. Subscribe to Mamang. To Mamang. Bye to our subscribers. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Mamang Joella Kuala of Australia. Baboom. Bye, Ifa. Bye. Bye-bye.